What up, everyone? This is George Langevere with Silverhammer Surveillance. Here at Silverhammer, we're security and smart home specialists. If there's a security device out there, we can sell it to you and install it for you. If there's a smart home device out there, we can sell it to you and install it for you. Or any tech device in general. We love tech, we love security. In addition to that, we have the YouTube channel. Here on the channel, we're going to discuss security tips, we're going to discuss everything tech, and we're even going to talk about some crazy shoplifter stories from back in my loss prevention days. My loss prevention career is kind of what led me down the path to start Silverhammer in the first place. So with the YouTube channel, we try to give you some informative and entertaining content, and we've been at it a while now. But I'd like to think we came a long way. Today's video is all about how far we've come. Back in the summer of 2018, we made our first attempt at a YouTube video. It was for a new service that we were introducing called High Tech Handyman. Silverhammer is a family-owned business, so this was me and my daughter trying to make a video to introduce this new service. You're going to see from these outtakes and bloopers, we didn't get very far. We weren't worried about lighting, we weren't worried about audio, we didn't really know what we were doing yet. Again, this was our first attempt. But it's all about the journey, right? And I promise you, no matter what, we had fun. So again, I just kind of wanted to share this video with you and show you our first attempt at what we were hoping to be the beginning of this channel. And again, the video didn't really make the light of day. It was a complete debacle. But man, you'll see, we had fun. Every time I watch this video, it brings a smile to my face. So I hope it does to you as well. Enjoy. Play.
I'm ready.
Pull yourself together.
You pull yourself together. I'm finished.
Okay, it's rolling.
Oh! Ready? It's rolling.
You can't start like that.
At Silverhammer Surveillance, not only do we do complete surveillance systems for homes and businesses, but we also do.
But you can't just
laugh the whole
You
time.
can't just start like that.
Hello, at Silverhammer Surveillance.
You can't say it like that.
Wait.
Stop.
We're gonna have to do the paper towel. Right?
No.
It's for homes and businesses, but we also provide smart home equipment.
You messed up.
I did. Alright. Hey, it's George with Silverhammer
You
Surveillance.
gotta start over because I was like.
What's going on?
Look,
But we also provide smart home equipment for residential customers. So we are going to give you a tour of our smart home.
Just leave that. You started it. We're not using the selfie stick. Are you Tracy?
Don't believe.
Okay. I'm glad you were alright with the situation. Surveillance system.
Stop. I can
This is.
Alright, I'm sorry.
You ready? Alright, here we go. Hello, it's George with Silverhammer Surveillance. So we are known for doing. Oh, come on, Delaney. Come on!
Thank you. Do it. Yeah.
Ready?
Got it.
Ready? Hey, it's George with Silverhammer Surveillance. So in addition to being surveillance specialist, smart home specialist.
You told me to hang out. I get bored.
No, be good.
I get bored of just.
Hey, it's George with Silverhammer Surveillance. So in addition to being surveillance specialist for homes, in addition to doing surveillance, no.
I can't stop that.
We need a script. Wait.
No. So you know us as surveillance specialists for homes and businesses.
Okay, wait.
We do surveillance systems for homes and businesses. Lady.
What'd you lose?
Thumbs.
No.
I look above your head. Go, go, go.
Hey, it's George with Silverhammer Surveillance. So in addition to doing Hey, it's George with Silverhammer Surveillance. So in addition to doing surveillance equipment install, I gotta figure out how to say that.
Okay, rehearse.
Hey, it's George with Silverhammer Surveillance. We are excited to announce that we have a new service called the
He won't stop.
Ready? Hey, it's George with Silverhammer. All right. Where me and this little character right here, we're gonna start showing you and Delaney.
This is why I don't want you in here.
All right, he needs to
This is
go.
why I don't want you in
Go in a
here.
different room. Just till we get through
He's
it.
filming me.
Just till we get through it. Come on. Hey, it's George.
Good job, got it.
This little character right here is going to help me do it. So stay tuned for our next video. It'll be coming soon.
Good job. You can come back now.
Okay, so that was me and my favorite medium-sized human being trying to make the first video for this channel. Didn't go so well. We actually took a break from the channel after that. You know, I don't know, kind of sucked. But we had fun doing it. Then we came back. We really didn't start the channel until earlier this year in 2021. And we hope we've come a long way from that first shot at it. So we try to get better with every video, trying to give you some informative and entertaining content. Hope you've liked what we've posted so far. It's going to keep coming. More tech talk, more security tips, more crazy shoplifter stories. If you like what we're doing, smash that like button for this one, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more. Until next time, peace and love.